What's up guys, Scott here from Uncle Scott's Kitchen. This video is supposed to be a big in-depth review of this Chefman jumbo-sized deep fryer. Unfortunately, it has completely gone off the rails. Let me tell you what's going on. Got the fryer in the other day, set up lights, cameras, did a big fancy unboxing video, got the fryer set up and ready to go. I made some hand-cut French fries. Have you ever seen better videography on some hand-cut French fries? Soak those overnight. Next day, get everything ready to go. Plug the fryer in, turn it on, and nothing. So I did what I normally do in these situations. I panicked, started cussing. My wife calmly came in, asked what was going on. I told her what was going on. She turned the unit around and found a reset button. She pushed the reset button on the fryer, and it started to work. So I cooked those fries. They turned out pretty nicely, I gotta say. So I thought, well, maybe the fryer got jostled or dropped or something happened in shipping. Hit that reset button. I thought everything was gonna be okay, and I thought we were off and running. Today I got up, set up all the equipment. I got out a Tefal Ultimate Easy Clean fryer that I've been recommending for a couple of years around here. Also the Tefal odorless fryer, and did some side-by-side comparisons for a couple of hours on features. And I had done another batch of hand-cut fries, got ready to cook those, plugged the thing in again, and nothing. So the doggone thing just does not work. Now I've tried it in multiple outlets. There's power to this outlet. You can see it charges a camera battery. Tried it in multiple outlets. I have reseated the heating element multiple times. I have attached and detached the magnetic power cord multiple times. And yes, the unit is on. I hit the reset button multiple times, and the doggone thing just does not work. And it was going to be a glorious week of fried food around here. Today was going to be more hand-cut fries. Tomorrow, hand-breaded chicken tenders. Then it was going to be jalapeno poppers, chicken wings, and then the grand finale was going to be arancini. Oh, arancini. And now my wife is talking about fixing dinner. My glorious week of fried food completely shot to hell. And I also want to point out here, I always talk about this, I buy these things with my own money. If Chefman had sent me one of these complimentary to review, I guarantee you it would have been a pristine, perfect unit. I bought this one myself with my own money. I'm in the same boat as all other consumers, and I got the lemon. Lucky me. Regardless, I wish I had better news to report. I wish I were eating some delicious fried food right now, but unfortunately, the Chefman just does not deliver. It gets a thumbs down. Uncle Scott's Kitchen, however, gets a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.